time to wake up. Alright, it's about 7:15 in the morning, Saturday. Headed over to Josh's house to go to BAM, the Bay Area meet. So it's a Bay Area, pretty much Subaru meet, I believe. I haven't been to a meet in like 5 years, and I really do kind of miss going to those things. And it's for all you like diesel guys or Cummins guys, stuff like that. This video probably won't pertain to you, but if you are an auto enthusiast, you can go to these shows and appreciate all the work that all these men and women do to their car. They put a lot of, you know, hard work, dedication, pride. So it's really cool to see what. Well, I'm interested to see how many kids are going to be there, because when Josh was going to all these kinds of shows and stuff, he was about like 19, 20, 21. So now the demographic seems to kind of stay the same. So it'll be interesting to see how many kids are there and what kids are doing to their cars nowadays and stuff like that. So I'll just update you when we get to Josh's house here soon. So we're about to pull up right now, and I get a text from Josh saying that him and Cam are at the fucking gym. So, what is the right thing to do when you show up to your buddy's house, you tell them what time you're gonna be there, and they are not there? 3 single ass dudes. You go through the house and see what they got to eat. Woo! Here we go. Oh no. What's going on, man?
Maybe my hands are wet.
Oh, you good?
How you been?
You know, washed up? Oh my gosh. Dude, it's been a long time.
I know, right? It's been days.
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, nice polish. Have you always had the polish?
Wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck, hella years ago.
Yeah, I just got them redone.
Like this got them repolished?
Like repolished. Smith's out of Mercedes did it. We did that.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Fuck, that fucking windshield's hella dark, dude. Damn.
Daily driven.
Yeah, I got mine tinted too.
35?
It's 35 all the way around. Yeah, it's all the same. But I'm gonna go up in here and see what these motherfuckers have to eat. I know. And I'm gonna do a room inspection. So, see what these fuckers have to eat. Alright, well, doesn't really. Okay, we got eggs, egg whites, replenished lemonade. What the fuck is drinking limeritas, dude? What the fuck? Okay, tall can Coors Light. Alright. Well, not much to offer there. Let's see what they have to offer in the fucking bedroom. Oh shit. Cam's room's actually pretty clean. Damn. Okay. There you go. Let's see what this room has to offer. Oh yeah. There's Josh's room. It's always been like this, but not as dirty as you think. Let's see. Oh, Hawaiian Girls poster. There you go. Our calendar. Well, alright. Try to, what I'm gonna try to do is VTech, VTech, VTech! 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 Yeah, dude, woo! You know we had to do it. Stop at Chick-fil-A. Where are these guys? Where are you? I can't see you. Fucking windshield, dude. You can't see shit in that motherfucker, dude.
Sick, huh?
You can't see shit. Yeah. It's tight.
Fucking dope.
Yeah. Hey guys.
But yeah, that's
Oi.
where like.
Okay, so that Varus kit is super expensive. That's a nice car. Fuck.
Stop somewhere. I'd say right about here. Perfect.
All the carbon fiber things. Huh. What do you think?
Sick. Perfect.
I don't think anything beats this color combo. Wow. Black and bronze. I love that. Little suckish. Woo. Holy shit.
This one's insane, but look at, I don't like the plate. EJ22. So fucking EJ25.
But dude, the wheel setup with the paint color and the paint color of the wheel with the polished lip with the bright yellow caliper.
Highlighter, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. say?
About what?
What did you just say?
I quit drinking for a month?
Oh my god. Why?
3-0. 3-0, fool.
3-0?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
30 days.
What day are you on right now?
6.
He ain't gonna fucking last.
Fucking sucks.
Well, you got a big build going on though, right?
Yeah, we're working on it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, what's going on? Good to see you. Glad you guys can make it.
Cameron's there.
Tim?
Cameron.
Cameron, I'm sorry. Nice to meet you. Yeah, thanks for coming. Glad to have you.
No problem, dude. Car looks good, dude. It's a lot less highlighter than I seen it last.
Dude, I did it again for last year, and I used, instead of Plasti Dip, I did, what's the name of the company? Auto Dip. Super Wrap.
Oh.
Super Wrap. They were formerly Auto Dip. They rebranded as Super Wrap. And I only tried it because their marketing was like, it's instead of sprayable rubber or plastic, it was sprayable vinyl. So I was like, oh, stickers, they'll be hella easy to come off.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, same shit?
Dude, it was worse than the Plasti Dip.
Really?
I had to end up using acetone to get it off.
Wow.
Just like aircraft paint stripper, and I was like, you know what? I finally gave up. I was like, if my paint under, because I like that finish on those wheels,
Yeah.
they're discontinued. So I was like, I really don't want to mess them up. I was like, but I'm at a point where I don't care. I started going at it, and luckily it didn't harm the bottom finish. But it still took me, after finding that out, it still took me like a whole weekend, like 14 hours. Like.
Out in the parking lot now, and sometimes the parking lot has better cars than the show. Here we go. Look, let's start with the lineup. Woo! What is that? Finally on our way home. Only took us about an hour and 15 minutes to get from San Jose to Fremont, but from there, smooth sailing. Dropped cam off, trying to jam home. It's around 5 o'clock now, but had a cool day. It was a little warm out there, not really any breeze. There was shade, but saw some pretty cool cars. Got a little bit of inspiration from some of the dudes out there, and yeah, it's always good just to get out and see what's going on out in the car world again. So Hot Import Nights was also going on tonight. It's actually just started at 4 o'clock, but I don't have the time nor the energy to stay out there until 10 o'clock at night and then drive all the way home. So, but just thought it'd be cool to bring you guys along, just see what those car meets are all about and stuff like that. Just go out there and see cool ass builds and cars. So yeah, let me know, subscribe, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Until then, take it easy.